Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw and color a book in a very easy way. Let's get started. First, draw a big square or rectangle in the middle of your paper. Like this. Very good. This is the front cover of the book. Draw some curved lines. Now on the left side of the square, draw a long vertical rectangle. Very good. Draw this. Very good. Draw some small horizontal lines. These lines show the pages of the book. Like these. Very good. Time to add some color. First we use orange color for the spine of the book. Like this. Very good. Then we use green color. Color inside the black lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Very good. Try to stay inside the black lines. Like these. Very good. Color slowly and neatly. You did it very well. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Good job, kids. Again we use orange color for this part. Very good. Write book inside it like this. And your book drawing is ready. Allah Hafiz.